June holidays are coming. You could chill. Or you could finally fix your econs for good. PD, ADAS, market failure. These all sound like gibberish right now, but they won't after 4 days with us. This isn't just tuition. It's 12 whole hours of micro and macro crash courses, 10 essays, 8 case studies, evaluation hacks, CSQ decoding, and exam strategy, all in June. Whether you're J1, J2, or a private candidate, this pack works. Its focus is exam ready, and most importantly, is made by people who actually know what they're doing. I went from confused to confident, and that's all thanks to the hard work of our crash course team. PD, ADS, let's just say right now we're on good terms. You'll get micro and macro crash courses with 10 essays and 8 CSQs. You'll also get printed notes and lifetime recordings until the end of your A-Levels. You'll also have real-life tutor exams as well as live drills. Slots sell out every year. If you're tired of winging it, this is your move. Make June count. Click the link, crash with us, get ready for A's. Your future self will thank you.